Ever since I discovered this mixture, my tomato harvest has been impressive. The plants grow much better, the fruits are bigger, and most importantly, they get sick far less often. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple method that will improve your tomato seeds before sowing. I'll show you a few ingredients, so make sure to watch until the end of the video. First of all, it's important to choose good quality seeds that are not damaged or old in order to increase your chances of successful germination. Next, add half a tablespoon of wood ash to 300 milliliters of warm water. It's important that the ash does not contain any paint, varnish, or other chemical residues. Wood ash provides seeds with easily available potassium and calcium, which are essential for strong, early root development in thicker stems. The mildly alkaline ash solution helps soften the outer seed coat, which for many tomato varieties speeds up and makes germination more uniform, especially with older or harder seeds. In addition, ash acts as a mild natural disinfectant, reducing the risk of certain fungal and bacterial infections that can attack seeds in moist conditions. That's why many organic gardeners consider soaking seeds in a weak ash solution to be a simple and inexpensive way to help plants start stronger and healthier. Strain the liquid. Friends, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love connecting with people from all around the world. Thank you. Place a few tomato seeds in another container and pour the prepared liquid over them. Let them soak for about 10 hours. It's best to do this before going to bed. In the morning, remove the seeds and place them on a paper towel. I'll show you two ways the seeds can germinate. The first, and most common method, is planting them in small pots filled with soil. But if you want to save money and speed up germination even more, place them in resealable plastic bags like these. Lightly spray them with a little lukewarm water, put them in a warm place, and within 2 days they will start to germinate. It's important that the inside of the bag stays moist, not dry, so you can lightly spray them once a day. Besides wood ash, you can also use turmeric, garlic powder, or chamomile tea. These are all very good natural ingredients for disinfection. Be sure to check out our next video, which is now appearing on your screen. Thank you.